Okay, so I just stumbled upon this framework called XORq that's designed for managing ML pipelines. It's honestly mind-blowing,
Really? What makes it so special? I mean, there are tons of ML tools out there.
right? But wait for this. XORq supports multiple engines like DuckDB and Snowflake. That's super unique.
Wow, that's huge. So you can switch between different SQL engines seamlessly?
Exactly. It's like having the flexibility to use any engine you want without rewriting everything.
That's wild. And it sounds like it offers a unified API that combines SQL and Panda-style syntax, correct?
Spot on. It streamlines the whole process, making it way easier to build reusable pipelines.
Okay, but what about caching? I remember you mentioned something about caching earlier.
Ah, yes. XORq uses a feature called shift left with caching, which is a game changer for performance.
Shift left, so it caches results to speed up computations later. That's really clever.
Yeah, it even utilizes an expr hash for naming things, which is super intuitive.
So instead of guessing where your data went, you can track it precisely?
Exactly. The lineage and observability features give you column-level insights right out of the box.
That's fascinating. How does it handle debugging? I imagine that's a challenge with complex pipelines.
Great question. XORq provides visual lineage trees which help in tracking issues.
Wait, so you get a visual map of your data flow? That must be super helpful.
Totally. It saves so much time by pinpointing where things might be going wrong.
This is making me rethink how I approach ML pipelines. It's all about clarity.
Right? And it's also designed to avoid engine lock-in, making your work more portable.
Reusability and portability. Those are like the holy grails of data engineering.
Absolutely. Plus, it looks like it uses Apache Arrow for zero-copy data transfer, which is super efficient.
So no unnecessary data duplication. That's huge for performance.
Exactly. And speaking of performance, it's in beta right now, so it's evolving rapidly.
Okay, but that means it's likely to change a lot. What does that mean for users?
It means you should expect some breaking changes as they refine the tool, but improvements will roll out fast.
That's really interesting because it keeps users engaged in developing the framework.
For sure. And I love how they encourage contributions on GitHub and even have a Discord community.
Community-driven development can lead to some amazing innovations.
Exactly. I mean, when users help shape the tool, it often reflects real needs.
So it sounds like XORq is not just a tool, but a growing ecosystem. That's exciting.
Right? And the fact that it's designed to minimize wasted computation is such a satisfying thought.
Yep, reducing waste is essential, both for the environment and efficiency in our work.
What gets me is how XORq offers expression formats in YAML too. That's so user-friendly.
YAML makes it more accessible, especially for teams transitioning from Python.
Exactly. It's like making complex concepts digestible for everyone involved.
So if you can have a consolidated view, it really encourages team collaboration.
Yes, that's where the real power lies, in enhancing teamwork and efficiency.
Wow, I'm genuinely impressed. I never thought a framework could impact workflow like this.
I know, right? It feels like we're on the brink of something big in ML operations.
This is making me rethink how I would set up my next project. The possibilities are endless.
Right? And just imagine if it's widely adopted, data pipelines could transform entirely.
The real question is, how will traditional tools adapt to keep up with this innovation?
That's a great point. It'll be interesting to see which tools evolve or phase out.
Exactly. And with XORq's growing community, who knows what features might emerge next?
Yeah, it gives me this rush of excitement. The future of ML pipelines seems so promising.
I totally agree. Imagine collaborating on solutions that were once thought impossible.
Right? And it makes you question what we once considered standard practice.
Definitely. I can't wait to see how XORq influences the next wave of data engineers.
Exactly. It's going to be a wild ride in the data landscape. Let's keep an eye on it.